Welcome to our Introduction to Real Estate course. My name is Sonia Martin. I am the CEO at Bayfield Training, and I'm very pleased to see you here in this course today. I would like to mention that behind the creation of this course, there is a great team of professionals from course content creation to graphic and video design who have been working very hard to make sure you have a great learning experience. You can work on the course at your own time, and if you have any questions, you can always contact us. All the information is on the induction area within the course. And the course offers a broad understanding about the real estate sector, its characteristics, and its importance to the general economy. It will help anyone supporting or moving into the sector with the knowledge and tools to communicate effectively with real estate professionals. By the end of the course, delegates will have gained key skills in the real estate investment strategy and analytics. You will also become familiar with the players, structure, general terminology, and overall needs of real estate. I hope you enjoy the course and looking forward to being part of the learning journey. Thank you.